In this vlog, I am going to show you something that I have promised you earlier in all the React Native Expo tutorials. I have multiple times said you that I will be explaining this particular concept for you, and today with the help of an interesting example, yes, that would be cool example in React Native, just a tiny piece of code, we can make use of it and change colors every time when we tap on a button. So don't skip this particular tutorial, and especially for the beginners this will be a most interesting concept, and also it sounds fun. And here's the magic behind it: a special React hook called useState we are going to use in this part of the tutorial. It's like giving your app a little memory, and whenever we change it the screen updates automatically. So let's try to see the best example and try understanding this concept in a much clearer way. So let's get started. useState is a React hook, and hooks are like a special tools that lets you hook into a React powers, like handling data that can change over time. And let's try writing the code, and then and there I'll explain you the things. So here quickly I'm going to write a simple example where we try to import the useState here. So React. So here we tried importing the useState, and also we'll try import the required components like button, text and view as well. I hope this is clear and nothing to explain regarding the imports. And now let's try creating the useState example. So here we are going to consider a useState BGColor and set BGColor. And the default color will be white. And now let's try creating the view. So here inside the return we'll try designing the view. Now the first thing is I'm going to add a view. Before getting started with the view, right, let's try creating the style sheet, and for which we need to add the style sheet import as well. So here I have added the style sheet, and in this vlog I have clearly explained you what is a style sheet and what is an inline style, and clearly I have provided the differences and what to use when. So I suggest you to refer this particular vlog if you are having any queries regarding the style sheet. And now quickly try to provide the view. And here we are trying to make use of the BGColor which we are getting from the useState. And the next thing what I am going to add is one more view where our button will reside. And here we are trying to generate a random number. So using the random number we are trying to generate a random color as well. So here we tried generating the random number and tried multiplying it with this number and tried decreasing the number. So we tried to remove the decimal part using math.flow here and trying to provide the available integer, and this way we'll get the random color. And the next thing is try to set the random color so that we can make use of it from the useState. And that's it for the coding part, and let's try running this code and see the output once. So here I'm running my code on iOS simulator here, and when I tap on change color here you can see the colors are being changed continuously here, and this is how I can clearly explain you the concept of useState here. And you can see how quickly the colors are being changed when we tap on this particular button. So similar to this, even the data in your application is being instantly updated to your view when you make use of this particular useState, that is the React hook concept. So this is it for this particular tutorial, and I hope you found this particular tutorial interesting. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.